Mitchell's wool fat. And what I do is I take the container and I put bloom water in so that it fills the whole soap, and then I'll drain out all the excess bloom water like so. For this demonstration I'm using a Semogue 1305 boar brush that I soaked in warm water, and I'm going to squeeze out all the excess water so it's just moist, and let it soak for about 10 minutes. Then I'm just going to load the brush completely, and what I want to do is I want to fill the brush completely with soap, with the wool fat. And as you can see, it's already getting nice and thick in there. Doesn't take very long. The secret to this, like a lot of triple milled soaps, is to, when you're loading this, you don't want it to be too airy, but what you want to do is you want to load the brush so it's completely filled with soap. Less water, more soap. And then as you build your lather with your brush on your face, in a bowl, wherever you're going to do it, it's irrelevant really. And what you're going to do is you're going to end up with a lather. Here's my brush. Here's the lather. And you could see, I hope you guys could see, that this is a beautiful, thick, peaked soap. And it's dense and rich. If you could see this, it's got hardly any air bubbles in it. Very few air bubbles. That's how I lather my Mitchell's Wool Fat soap.